Hello YouTube family. Okay, so today I'm bringing you a no recipe required really Chipotle halloumi fries. Look at these guys, you are going to love this one, so let's cook. Okay, so what you're going to need is just this halloumi cheese, obviously, and I have 2 blocks here. You can use however many you like depending on how many people you're feeding. So I was just showing you just the halloumi, the chipotle chili, and then extra virgin olive oil. So before we start cooking, I just tap dry the halloumi because they are packaged with water, so just tap them to dry them a little bit, and then we are going to slice them. Make sure you slice your halloumi a little bit thicker, okay? If you slice them a little bit thin, they might break when you're cooking them, and you don't want that. You want them to have that nice body in between your, when they're fries. Oh yes, you want that, yeah, nice body in there. So slice them thick, guys. And then go ahead and slice the other one too, and then we're going to go ahead and continue with the next step. However guys, or if you are here for the first time, please subscribe, hit that bell. Is it the bell that they say? The bell, so that you get notified when I upload a new video, because I have so much planned for you guys. I have so many food recipe online, a recipe coming once a week, guys. So please subscribe, share, comment, invite all the foodies you know to come and join us. Okay, so next we are just sprinkling this with them chipotle chili. I put a lot, you can put less or more if you like, because it's chipotle still hot, but I love mine really super hot. So add the chili as much as you can handle on both sides. You just add and then tap it in so that they can stick on the chilies. Trust me, if you don't have chipotle in your spice cupboard, get some. It's really good. I love the smoky flavor of them. Okay, so and that's it, guys. So next step, we're going to fry these. And oh guys, I love this, my grill pan. Oh, anything with grill line on, ooh, I feel like it look and taste 10 times better just because of the grill lines. Okay, so we are only going to use about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil for this one. We are not deep frying this, so just about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and because I'm using a grill line, I'm just going to distribute this oil all over the pan, because all those 2 halloumi that I've sliced, they will fit on this pan at once. So I'm going to kind of distribute the oil all over the pan. Because of the grill line, it tends to stay just in the middle. And then I'm going to heat this up. It's already on, so I'm cooking this on medium to high-ish, more toward the high. Okay, once your oil is nice and hot and ready, you just put your hand closer and you can feel it, it's heat up and it's ready. You just put your halloumi slices on the pan. And one tip, guys, make sure you are not crowding the pan. If you overcrowd this, you're gonna end up creating some sort of a stew. It's gonna boil and create liquid, and you don't want that. We are not stewing this, we are pan frying this. Okay, so make sure you are not overcrowding the pan. Make sure there is space in between them, and then you're just going to fry them about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's brown to your liking. Okay, once it's brown to your liking, you turn it, and then you fry again on the other side until again it's brown to your liking. Ooh, can you see those green lines, guys? You see, invest in one. Anyway, guys, you fry on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, okay, until it's brown to your liking, and that's it, ready to serve. You put this in a burger bun. You've got yourself a halloumi burger. Ooh, so nice. This is it, guys. It was nice and ready, about 7 minutes, and I was ready to eat. Ooh, dig in. Look at this, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you are inspired. Let me know in the comment what you'd like to see me post more. If you are from Instagram, let me know, because I have a lot of food there. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.